What's up, nerds? Alright, so we're gonna play some Ness because we're lame. We're lamos. I've gotten almost the entire first row into Elite Smash. Fox was a pain in my ass. But that's mainly just because he's Fox. But yeah, we're playing Funny Ness Man. Haha, PK Fire! PK Fire! Zoom in more. That's... I guess that's good. I had some warm-up games before I got on. Mewtwo? Eh. I can heal with Shadow Ball. Okay, yeah. Well, not the best start. I don't like this. It would have been best if you just rolled in. I have to use it here so I get a good... I tried... This sucks. Just gonna... Oh, what? How'd that not work? Okay, I'm playing like ass. Random uppy. I so lost. Just gonna Shadow Ball? No. Well, that was unexpected. I didn't think he would do it there. That Mewtwo is good. Jesus. I mean, there is a reason why I choose to main Lucas over Ness. Because Lucas is better than Ness. And no one ever can change my mind about that. Sure, Ness has these fancy-ass combos, but he can sometimes die at just like 11 because he got gimped by a fucking Joker. I hate that. Okay, my gameplay is dumb. You know what? Fuck this. Damn it. Okay. This isn't good. This is not good. This is good. It's not good. God, Ness Final Smash is actual butt rape. Got him. Why am I alive? I'm Ness at 184. This guy won't approach me. Yeah, I'm so dead. That's annoying. What? What? I don't know what that was. What is that? Butt ass. Butt ass. Well, I grabbed. I I I I hit the grab button. That's a. Okay. Well. Okay. Well, I just won 2 games off camera, so I got that GSP back. Pretend that didn't happen, and pretend I didn't just get teabagged by a CPU. So I had to fight another Ness. For my first game. It went well. He got 2 stocked, which is always fun. Olimar, kill me now. I want to die. Where does Pikmin go? Got him. Okay, cool. I didn't get buried. What? Why'd he throw them that way? Oh, maybe because he didn't want those kind of Pikmin. Maybe that's why. Ugh. That's not cool. Got him. I'm just happy that this Olimar is bad. Ooh. Don't land on me. That was an up air. Ooh. Alright, well, that surely did happen. So, as I was looking at the time, like, how the fuck has it only been 3 matches, but it's, like, 11 minutes on the clock? Like, holy god, dude. I guess he wants to run back. I just hope that he doesn't have a casual rule set if we get his. Because that would suck. A casual Olimar sounds like the grossest thing. No, but he is playing on 1 stock. Still pretty gross. Whoa, why did I just stand there? Okay. Yes! Thank you, Pikmin. He's gotta be fucking angry about that. 50-second match. You know what? We'll take those. Nothing like a 50-second game, am I right? I think it's kind of messed up that Ness can just do, like, 3 up airs in a row. But at the same time, Iggy can do, like, 2 up airs in a short hop. So, yeah, I'm not really just gonna complain about that. So he likes to roll. Meant to be a reverse back air. Ooh. Okay, well, maybe don't roll. Don't die. God, that was such a good call out. Careful. Use it. Why does Ness Final Smash have to be so fucking bad? Why? Okay, well, I'm just gonna camp platform. Okay. That was a good roll read. Even though he keeps rolling from ledge. Ooh. Careful. I'm dead. Yep. That's awesome. I feel like those should spike. Because that'd be awesome. It'd be awesome if they just fall on spike you. You know what else would be awesome? If I could just have Elite Smash now. God, this guy just wants to run back after run back. He wants me dead. It's gonna be his rule set, right? His rule set? His rule set, yeah. Hey, Minecraft. Can I get a Minecraft in the comments, please? He wasn't supposed to air dodge. Yeah, he's so dead. Yeah. I didn't want to go down there just in case he might have, like... I don't know. Because, like, Olimar can get out of his recovery. So, like, if he got a forward air, God knows if he would be able to, like, do recover again and make it back. Speaking of Ness, Danny, if you're watching this, hi. Just hi. His rule set again. That was a mistake. That was such a bad air dodge. Oh, please don't let me die like this. You whore! Oh my god, why? That sucks so hard. I was doing so well! I'm upset about that. I'm upset. Cause, like, what the fuck? Well, at least he didn't leave. I thought he would leave. So. That's one hell of a respectable Olimar, if I do say so. Even though it's kind of an oxymoron. Like, what the fuck, man? I'm still a little bit pissed off. Cause, like, I had that fucking game. But up smash at the ledge just doesn't kill. And thank God it doesn't, because then I would just disdain having to fight this little kid. This is a laggy Olimar, by the way. Got him. Got him. I tried it. Yeah. It's understandable. Okay. Jesus Christ, I killed him? That he would tech roll. Whew. Why didn't I snap to ledge? Don't you ever dare run away from me. Because I'm gonna read you like a goddamn fiddle. I know that didn't make sense, but I don't know why I just kind of say that. Like, not reading like a book, because I played him. So, I read you like a damn fiddle. He played us for a damn fiddle. Oh, he actually left now. And, like, the scary part is he actually could have killed me. Hate it when that happens. Yeah, he could have totally killed me. Or, well, actually no, because it's complicated, because he got, like, so much damage the round that I lost against him. So, maybe he could have. But he was at, like, 120, so all I needed was a grab. That's why I kept grabbing. I just couldn't seem to get that one grab. Ike. This might suck. This might suck hard. Whew, okay. So fun. See? So fun. I just don't like being forwarded 17 times. So much fucking irony. Yeah, I'm not fucking dumb, you idiot. I'll kill you. You know, if I can even touch you, that'd be nice. Right in my loving arms. That sucks, because that hit me. I'm not dead for it, but it still sucked. You're joking me. There. Fuck's sake, that was such a good ether. I don't like this. This is, stop, 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 stop. God damn it, I can't go anywhere because his sword is so flippin'. Oh, I'm angry. Yup, hit me, run away. Hit me, run away. I'm actually dead. I beg you. I'm begging you hard. Why wouldn't it kill? It's so bad. It's so absolutely garbage. And why am I getting people with like, I'm upset. This sucks. This absolutely sucks. God, that matchup is actually garbage. Because I need to approach him. Alright, so I have to go. But there is going to be a part 2 to this video. Because I didn't get Ness into Elite Smash. So, I'll either slap them together, or I'll just have them as separate videos. I actually, after the Ike game, I paused the video, and I just, won a match. So,